Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful recipe. This is Irish potatoes, and the botanical name for this Irish potatoes is Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum is a very rich and wonderful meal, and it contains lots of fibers in the body. It's very good for the health, and it's very good for the body. It's good for you to take this at least once in a week, because the fiber in it nourishes the body very well, and it also allows the growth in the system stabilize very well. Living healthy is good, and also eating what is good boosts the immune system. So today I am going to be preparing this. I'll wash these and cut them into desired pieces, and after then I'll have to fry them for just few minutes. The frying is not going to be a deep fry, it's gonna be a half fried potatoes garnished with eggs, carrots, green peas, and you see how I'm gonna be doing this. So guys, I will be washing this. So you have to wash it very well, and after washing it, I will now slice it. So living healthy is one of the best thing I desire most, and giving the family a nice treat also is one of my hobby. So after this now, I'll be cutting this into desired parts. So you can see how it is. Put my knife, cut it into the shape I like, and I'll then fry it. I would not make this chips to be so dried. I'll just do it in a way where when you chew it, you still feel the fiber inside your mouth and you enjoy it. Enjoy watching this recipe. If this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like and also share this wonderful recipe. So this is very rich in fiber. If you're lacking fiber in the body, this is one of the fiber giving food that can also boost your immune system. So here I've just put the pan on the fire, and I am going to be pouring in groundnut oil inside the pot. So I'll sprinkle salt here, and I'll mix this together. I also have vegetable oil here, which I'm going to be putting inside the pot. This is cholesterol-free vegetable oil. Allow this to heat very well before frying the Irish potatoes. The oil is hot now. It's time for me to fry the So I'll allow this to fry, but not too dried, and in a short while I'll be removing it. Guys, you can see that the chips is well fried, not too dried. I'll be removing the chips now from the fire and put in a strain shifter. So now I'll be frying my egg. So guys, having a wonderful meal here. I have all my recipes prepared, all my ingredients that I'm going to be using to prepare this Irish potatoes with scrambled egg. So we have here prawn. This is prawn, a species of the crayfish. Here is carrots. Here is green beans. I have here eggs. The Irish potatoes. So now watch me how I am going to be mixing this, and in less than 5 minutes everything will be ready. Also here is onions. If you're just watching my channel for the first time, please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is Ukeme TV, a TV that teaches you how to prepare wonderful recipes. Today you're going to be watching the Solanum tuberosum, which is known as Irish potatoes with scrambled egg. Enjoy watching this video and also learn how to prepare wonderful meals. Here is groundnut oil and also salt, and we have the nut cube. So this is the peeled one. So let's go down to the mixing of all the. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this wonderful recipe. This is Ukeme TV. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell for notification of video. This is a TV, that's a channel that teaches you how to prepare wonderful recipes. Wonderful recipes. Yeah, so guys, now I'll be pouring in the onions, and at the same time with my chili pepper. Stir this, and also I'll be adding the green beans, and my carrots also. You can see that now I had to add just little drops of groundnut oil to use in frying this. I'll allow this to steam very well, so it's more or less like not even putting groundnut oil. You can see the pan is dried, so stir this before putting in so also add Maggi to taste. Also pinch of salt. So with this now, I'll be adding the Irish potatoes inside the pot. I told you I was going to prepare a wonderful meal, scrambled Irish potatoes with egg. Allow this to heat small, just in a little while. You can see that's the reason why I didn't add too much vegetable oil inside. So allow this to steam very well now before adding the egg on it. You can see all the leaves, all the vegetables. So for the egg now, I'll be adding the egg inside the pot. Stir this. Add little quantity of salt. Just little. You know I've already added Maggi inside there, so I'll be pouring it inside the pot now. And allow this for just 3 minutes. I'll be bringing it out. So you can see that the egg itself is heating up, and in 3 minutes time you bring down your pan. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. This is Ukeme TV. Don't fail to subscribe to my channel, and also I hope you enjoyed preparing this wonderful recipe. So now I'll be adding my prawns into the pot and allow it to also heat for a little while, and you can see that the meal is ready. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. This is Ukeme TV, a TV that teaches you how to prepare wonderful recipes for the family, continental dishes. You can see it's not burnt. You can see it steaming very well. This is lovely. So you can also turn your pots and you can see how it comes out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. So I just allow this to steam little for the prawns to be steamed a bit, and I'll be dropping down my pan. So Ukeme TV gives you the best recipes you could ever get, and in a wonderful way. You can always contact me for an event. If you have an event, you can always contact me and I'll be there to deliver good services at your doorsteps for you and for your participants to enjoy. See you guys in my next video. Bye.